In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can you save chat history in NotebookLM? If you've been exploring NotebookLM and using its chat to brainstorm, summarize sources, or ask follow-up questions, you may be wondering how to keep a record of those conversations. Let's walk through what's possible right now and the simple method that reliably preserves your work. First, open NotebookLM and navigate to the notebook or project where you've been chatting. Take a moment to load the conversation you want to keep. This helps you see exactly what you'll be saving, including prompts, responses, and any references shown alongside the answers. Here's the key point. At the moment, there isn't a built-in feature in NotebookLM to save or export your full chat history automatically. That means you won't find a one-click download or export option for the entire thread. Because of that, the best way to preserve your conversation is to copy and paste it manually into a document you control. To do this, select the portion of the chat you want to keep. You can drag your cursor across messages to highlight them, then copy. Open your preferred document tool, such as a Notes app or a word processor, and paste the copied text. For longer chats, it helps to copy in sections so you don't miss anything and to keep the formatting readable. As you paste, consider adding quick labels like question and answer, or brief headings so you can scan the document later. Including the date and the notebook name at the top of the document is useful for context. If your chat references specific sources, you can paste those citations or short summaries right under the related answer to preserve the connection between the response and the material it came from. A few practical tips. Turn off rich formatting if you prefer a clean, text-only archive. This can make the document easier to search. Save the file with a clear name, something like NotebookLM Chat, Topic, Date, and keep it in a dedicated folder so future chats are easy to find. If your conversation is especially long, add a simple table of contents at the top with section headers, or break the chat into multiple documents by topic. That's it. Open NotebookLM, recognize that there's no native chat history export, and copy and paste what you need into your own document. This manual approach ensures you always have a reliable record you can search, share, and build on as your work evolves.